What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, 2022 Honda Accord Sport. This is what it sounds like before, 2.0 turbo. You can't even hear it. Look. Oh, it's so quiet. Again. Your sound decibels. Go ahead. My voice is louder than it. I think so. We'll let you guys hear it after. We're gonna do a muffler delete on it for you guys. So 2022 Honda Accord. We let you hear what it sounded before factory. Got the converters up there under the motor somewhere, all the way up there. We kept the factory resonator in the middle. She might come back and take it off. But for right now, we left it on there. Then 2-inch pipe continues, then it winds out from the factory into usually to 2 factory mufflers, one there and one there. We deleted them and replaced them with 2 straight pipes. So we did a muffler delete on this and added all the needed hangers on it, as you guys can see, on each side, there and there. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it, right there. And right there, we took them off and straight piped it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Only about 20% of you guys subscribe. So please hit that subscribe button for us. All right, guys, we have round 2 on this Accord, 2022 Accord. We did a muffler delete earlier in the year, and then it wasn't loud enough for her, so she brought it back, and we took off the resonator. So the converter's up here. Then you can see all this is covered. Flex pipe, then it goes over the front end, then it continues, and then there's the resonator. It used to be right there. We deleted it. Then 2-inch pipe continues, Y's out, and then there was a muffler delete there. And there we did earlier in the year, as you guys can see, into her factory tips out the back, right there, right there. She might bring it back. We might change the rear diffuser and put new tips on it. But there's the resonator that was on it that we cut off right there. It's only got 17,000 miles. I like the blacked out look. It looks good on it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. It's still quiet. Yeah, it is turbo. Better? You want louder or no? Drive it for a week, see how you like it. Now it has a little bit of a tone, at least you can hear it. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. 82. It was like 70 before. You couldn't hear it at all. Again. Go ahead and back it out. I like the color of it. What is that color called? Sonic Gray Pearl. Sonic Gray Pearl. That's a cool color. I'm glad you tinted the lights too on it. It looks so much better with it. We need more women in the car community. Not bad. Again. I think it needs the resonator taken off. Even with the resonator taken off, it'll be like 20% louder only because of the turbo. The turbo takes a lot of the sound away. Let you guys hear on the inside. Now it's actually got some tone to it, you know? Before it was a little bit too quiet. Much better. Here's sound decibels. Still not crazy loud either. Again. Right at 94. One more. Yeah, it's clean. It's a good looking car though. I like that color. It's a different color. it. It's nice. Sorry guys, construction as usual. Let you guys hear on the inside. Enjoy guys. Thank you.